Is toolpath important to you? Is getting your toolpath right important to you? Then SmartCAM is the CAM solution you need. Only SmartCAM provides you total toolpath control of the entire machining process. Today, we will see an overview of the solid model grooving cycles available in our SmartCAM Advanced Turning solution. SmartCAM solid machining tools let you generate toolpath directly from solid model features without any need to extract wireframe geometry. We will see how SmartCAM creates roughing and finishing toolpath for groove features and how you retain complete control over the entire machining process and resulting NC toolpath. Let's first generate rough grooving and finishing toolpath for the groove on the solid model of this relief valve component. Let's zoom right in on the groove so that I can show you how easily we generate accurate toolpath. This groove is a standard undercut, but the SmartCAM grooving cycles can be used on features that have contoured walls and groove bottoms. Groove machining is just one of the options accessed from either the toolbar or menus. SmartCAM provides linear and contour roughing, grooving and profiling options for roughing, semi-finishing and finishing processes. Our solid turning cycles can generate turning, facing, back turning and back facing, and external or internal groove toolpaths. We will machine this groove using a 0.1 inch wide insert with a 10,000th tip radius. We will use an overlap for each pass of 0.075 inches and our default face and diameter finishing allowances of 10 thou. Let's now define the region of the solid model that we want to machine using SmartCAM's powerful group selection tools. We pick one surface at the limit of the groove, the chamfer on the front, then the surface at the other limit of the groove. The order in which these are selected is not important, only that they are the surfaces on each edge of the groove. Then we automatically add the chain of surfaces in between using the Adjacent Neighbours selection mode. Hit the Go button and toolpath is quickly generated exactly as we planned it. The complete cycle, along with all of its parameters, is contained as just a single process container element in the SmartCAM model file. Whenever needed, you can edit any SmartCAM process to modify cycle parameters or the extent of the model being machined. You have total control and are able to generate toolpath to your exact needs. Let's verify the toolpath using SmartCAM's ShowPath toolpath simulation. We can see that SmartCAM generated accurate toolpath with the correct offsets used for both sides of the groove. Next, we will add a finishing profile pass to the solid model groove feature. In this example, we will use the same tool in the same tool station that we used for roughing, but we will generate a separate SmartCAM process step that is associated with the finishing pass. We will use the solid profile machining process. This time we have selected it from the SmartCAM toolbox. For easier viewing, let's mask the previous tool step, which removes it from the graphics display while we generate the finishing profile. For a groove feature such as this, we will want to profile from each end of the groove and not machine it in a single unidirectional pass. We check the bidirectional option on the panel. We want to control the position to which the groove tool retracts away after a pass. We can set that precisely by using a back-off value. We hit Go, and groove finishing toolpath is quickly generated. You can see the effect of the 0.1 inch back-off value we used. We use ShowPath once again to verify the toolpath. Let's slow it a bit this time to see exactly the motion of the tool. We again see the effect of the lead in, lead out, clearance and back-off values. Let's unmask the rough grooving toolpath, adding it back to our graphics display. Notice that the groove machining processes are contained in individual SmartCAM model elements. You have just seen a brief introduction to SmartCAM's solid machining applied to groove features on a turned part. Why not take a look at our other videos showing SmartCAM features? SmartCAM solid machining applied to grooving processes quickly and easily generate roughing and finishing toolpath for internal and external groove features without needing wireframe geometry, delivered with the classic SmartCAM trademark of providing you complete control over your toolpath. If the question of how to control your toolpath is important to you, SmartCAM is your answer.